The process of the chimp is in the adaptation phase. We have cell minus, we're digging a hole. Cell minus, digging a hole. The reduction of the cells makes sure that there's, for example, there's more blood flow to where it needs to be. Selling off the division like in business. In the restoration phase, we have a rebuild up of the cells back to normal. So where there's 4 in now we are rebuilding back to the same level that we had before the entire process started. Rehiring people that were laid off. The assignment is look up the following tissues in your directory and write down the themes of these directory in your workbook. The coronary arteries, the bladder mucosa, the larynx mucosa, the bronchial muscle, and the cervix. Stop the video and do that exercise now.
When you learn something from this, comment your biggest insight, and you will inspire other people with your comments too.